Hello audience, this is Top Computing guy. I'm Sgano Agwata. In today's video, I am going to show you mathematical operators or different operators in Python. Before proceeding to this video, I recommend you to see my previous videos that talking about variables and variable value data types and memory address. I provided below in the description box, or you can get the link from the Telegram channel Ethiop Computing, from Telegram channel Ethiop Computing. Let us proceed to today's lesson. Today's lesson, as I have told you, it is mathematical operation. So there are different mathematical operations or operations in Python. The common operations: division, subtraction, multiplication, addition. These four are the common mathematical operators. We can call it this type of mathematical operator arithmetic operator. There is also another operator, unary operators, assignment operators, relational operators, and logical operators. We will see one by one. Let us start by arithmetic operators. For example, 2 plus 3, it is mathematical operator. Y is equals to 5, 4. X is equals to 6, for example. Then Z is equals to X plus Y. In Z, then is addition. Subtraction: Z is equals to X minus Y. Then Z enter 2. Subtraction: Z is equals to X times Y. And Z enter multiplication: Z is equals to X over, that means divided by Y. Z, it is division. This division. Let's display the type Z. It is float. What about Z is equals to Y divided by X? It is Z, it is floating point also. Then what type of data is 0.66? Z, it is also float. Float and double, the only difference is by its size or length of memory. The other one, assignment operator. You are familiar with this. Just to assign a given value for a given variable. Assignment operator. X is equals to 4 means assignment operator. I assign, or I store the value 4 in X. This is assignment operator. Or for example, C is equals to X. We copy the value of X on C. This is also assignment operator. Assignment operator not only is, for example, X plus equals to 5 means it is also an assignment operator. That means X is equals to X plus 5. X is equals to X plus 5. The value of 6 is 4, then we can get 9. We can also X multiply is equals to 2 or 3. Can get 27. What about underscore plus 6 27. That means the previous or the last output that means the last output. So enter 27 plus 6, that is 33. That is 33. We can also assign a or x, comma y, comma z is equals to, in Python. By the way, it is in Python. X for, ለምሳሌ, it is 4, 5, 6. That means we assign for 4x, 5 for y, 6 for z. Let me test y. The value of y should be 5 now. This is 5. What about z? This is 6. This is assignment operator. Assignment operator. The other one, unary operator. Unary operator. We can manipulate mathematical operators using only single operator. For example, we can say that minus z, minus 6. The value of z is 6. So when we put minus here, it will be minus 6. For example, v is equals to minus x. So minus x, minus is unary operator now. V is equals to means, v is equals to minus x means it is assignment operator. Minus x by itself, it is unary operator. Now display v, minus 4. Like this, we can play with unary operator. The other one, relational operator. Just to express the relationship between two or more than variables. For example, x less than y. Is it x less than y? True or false? X less than 1. Less than, it is assignment operator, relational operator. It is true because the value of x is 4, the value of y is 5. What about y greater than z? Y greater than z. It is false because the value of z is 6, the value of y is 5. So 5 not greater than 6. What about, is it x double equals to y? Single is equals to and double is equals to is different. When we use single is equals to sign, is equal sign, single equal sign, that is assignment operator. But if we use double equal sign, it is relational operator. This operator means x is exactly equal to y. That means the value of y exactly is equal to y. This is the description. Is that it is false because 4 and 5 is not equal. 4 and 5 is not equal. What about, for example, x less than y and y less than z? I think it is true because x greater than 4 less than x less than 5, 4 less than 5, true. 5 less than 6, true. I think the result will be true. What about x greater than y and y less than z? It is false. Bring AND operator or bring AND logical operator. This is, by the way, logical operator. This AND is logical operator, by the way. It is not a relational operator. A relational operator is less than and greater than. So when we use AND logical operator, the two conditions must be fulfilled, or the two conditions must be true to get the output true, or the two conditions must be false to get the output false. What about x greater than y, or y less than z? What about the answer? It is true. Why? Because x greater than y for greater than 5, it is false. But it is either of the two condition. If it is true, the output is true. If it is false, the output is false. So if one condition is fulfilled, the output will be true. Either of this condition must be true to get the true value. The other one, bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. For example, complement of, for example, x complement. That means the operator is here, complement x is -5. We get this value by changing the number 4 into binary form, and by that binary form we make the complement of 4 and add 1. That means 2's complement. We can get -5. What about x and y? It is not logical operator, it is bitwise. As the name indicates, bitwise. We change the value of x and the value of y, and we make AND operation, bitwise operation. We will get the value like this. The binary form of 4 and the binary form of 5 computed using AND operation, and finally we get the binary number. That decimal value is 4. The other one, or x, or means this y. This is also 5. The binary value of 4 ORed with the binary value of 5 will give the result 5. Other one, XOR value. XOR y. The XOR sign is here. When the value of x is XORed with y, or 4 XORed with the binary value of 4 XORed with binary value of 5, the result will be 1. It is decimal value. We can also make shift right and shift left. For example, x shift right by 2, and this x shift left by 2 can get this binary value. This decimal value. This is all about operators in Python. So until we meet by the next video, bye bye.